Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, it's certainly good to see some green in the crypto markets, but I asked the question, are we looking at a bull trap for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and cryptos? We're going to explore that in this video. Certainly good to see green again after 9 straight weeks of red, particularly with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has never had 9 weekly red candles in its history, and we've just gone through that. So certainly a turnaround in the markets is good to see, and we're still down though, and I'll show you that on the charts. Overall, this is just the beginning of a turnaround. I mean, certainly we have this, right? Where everyone's going crazy, like, oh, crypto market's in the green, but we're down so much that you have to look at the perspective. Like I say, when in doubt, zoom out and you'll see the bigger picture. We've got a long ways to go. So, bull trap. What is a bull trap? Well, bull trap looks like this. It's an overall bear market. We've been in a bear market for a few months, and we start to see a turnaround and things start trading up. What happens is when things start trading up, you start getting buyers. People start buying in. It's like, okay, we're turning around. Let's buy some more. Rarely do markets ever turn around that quickly. The only time I can recall is in March of 2020 when there was the fear, that immediate fear of the pandemic, and the stock market and crypto markets just did an immediate flash crash, but then turned right around. So that's kind of an extraordinary case. In this, it's been this slow, gradual decline, and we're going up now. I don't think we're really going to see this huge rise going up immediately. I think it's going to sort of go sideways, and we may see more dips. Certainly with the bull trap, market makers can get buyers coming in, buy some more, and then drop the price even lower. There are some still calling for $25,000 Bitcoin. We could still see that. The overall economic indicators, although there seems to be some light at the end of the tunnel in terms of inflation and curbing inflation, they're still talking about further raising interest rates. The war in Ukraine is still going on, and we still have the pandemic causing lockdowns in some areas, and supply chain issues continue. Well, certainly that's not an indicator of a bull market yet. We have to be careful and wait for the indication that things have really turned around. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just looking at the overall markets and the economic indicators, and to me, it just seems like we're not ready to go on this huge green rocket up yet. Let's take a look at the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, we'll start here by looking at the Dogecoin chart. This is the 30-minute chart. This yellow line here is 8.5 cents. And yesterday morning, we traded above 8.5, kind of went below, back up, and now we're trading somewhat comfortably above 8.5 cents, although this morning there was a quick dip down to 8.5 and back up. So 8.5 seems to be support right now. Certainly a couple days ago, Dogecoin had dropped below 8 cents here. So this positive rise in the price is certainly good to see. And we have Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin over here was down at 28.8 and now trading up above 31,000. So Bitcoin has had a much greater gain percentage-wise than Dogecoin has over the past couple days. So why is that? Why is Dogecoin not trading as well? Well, typically what we see when Dogecoin starts trading up is the shorts. And this is the short chart for Doge. And the short, there's more short positions that are being opened on Dogecoin as the Dogecoin price starts going up. That's what we see. What does Bitcoin's short position look like? Bitcoin had this huge short position that was closed when Bitcoin dropped into the 28s. And all those short positions closed. And what has happened with Bitcoin is there's not a lot of new shorts being opened right now. So this rise in Bitcoin coming up to 31,000 isn't being pushed back down, at least by the shorters. So overall, that certainly looks good for the overall market, but not for Doge. If we look at total market cap, we just went over 1.3 trillion. Right now, it's right at that number. So this has been good for the overall crypto market. If we look at coin market cap, what we see is with a $1.3 trillion overall market, we see a lot of green. Bitcoin over $600 billion itself in market cap. So that's good. But we see Ethereum, we see BNB, we see Cardano. Look at Cardano. Cardano has had a great run. It's actually jumped above XRP in the overall total market cap. But here's Doge at 10th, still in 10th comfortably, $11.4 billion market cap. What can you say? Doge has held very well through this bear market and isn't doing this immediate drop. So still a lot of interest in Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is holding very well. Again, if we go back to the charts and we take a look at XRP, what XRP has done, 42 cents now. XRP over here was at 38 cents. So that's an okay run for XRP. But Cardano, look at Cardano. It was over here at 45 cents and has had a great run up to 66 cents. So there's a lot of interest in Cardano right now. Good to see that positive trade, and that helps the overall market. So whether you like Cardano or not, it does help the overall markets when you see these positive gains. So that's good to see for Dogecoin. So overall, when we're looking at the trading of Dogecoin and we see this positive trading, again, we have to look at the daily. When in doubt, zoom out. That's what I say. And this is what we have. Back in February, Dogecoin was up at 20 cents and had this huge trading down. So what we're seeing is this little bit of rise right here. It's got a long way to go just to get back up to 13 cents. So that's what we're looking at when we zoom out. Same with Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin's chart. Bitcoin was up over here at 47,000 just in the end of March and into the beginning of April. And so these daily green candles here are good. This looks like it's starting to turn around here. But looking at the overall bear market that we've been in, is that a bull trap? Is that what this is? So I just say, be careful, because this could be an indicator of things turning south again. So we just have to be wary of that. So as far as Dogecoin trading forward, we're certainly going to look and see whether Dogecoin drops back below 8.5 cents and could possibly retest 8 cents if that happens. That would be tough for Doge. We're trying to get back above 10 cents and see some good positive trading forward. But it's going into June now, and we just have to be careful in terms of the overall economic indicators and whether this whole bear market has really come to a close. Let me know in the comments below what you think about bull traps and crypto trading. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.